Okay, so let's go to the next one, which is health and well-being. Your area, Anil. So
You missed the relationship one?
that's fifth. That comes next. So we have done
Okay.
3 so far. This is the fourth.
Okay.
Yeah. So what's the ideal vision of your body and physical health? When you say body, it's both mental, emotional. Yeah. Are you free of disease in case if you have some ailments? Have you healed any ailments? Are you pain-free again? Uh, one thing to pay attention is almost every disease is an outcome of some kind of an emotional charge. So therefore, becoming aware of the emotional charge and then working on dissolving it. Aligning to highest values and dissolving the charges you accumulated prior to that. Yeah. So today morning, I read in one of another Dimitri method facilitators post, which read that, the problem is not the actual problem. Our resistance to the problem is the problem. Yeah. So our resistance to dissolving the resentments, our resistance to dissolving infatuation, our resistance to dissolving our pride, our resistance to dissolving our shame and guilt, kind of keeps us in that polarized state, which creates confusion, chaos. It makes us mindless. It makes us absent-minded. It makes us not to listen to others. It makes us not to be attentive. Yeah. So subjective biases, mindlessness, and therefore we are not able to be efficient. Yeah. So once you dissolve these charges, the chaos goes, clarity emerges, then you are more mindful, you're objective, you're present. Yeah. You take objective actions and then you keep moving on. And when you align it to highest values, you have meaning and fulfillment also. Yeah. And how long do you want to live? This is a very important question, to this can kind of, set the context for what kind of planning you want to have in other areas. Like I had one client in Bombay, I was consulting 3-4 weeks back, and he took a target of 123 years. That was my first client who took a target above 100. And he kind of expanded my awareness that, well, we can even think of such a large number. And initially, though it appeared like a fantasy, I posed him so many questions, but he came out, it came out that it was not a fantasy. He's already fit. He is 6 feet tall and he's thin. He runs, he jogs. He's a part of Rotary Club. He runs. He did a run with the Rotary Club member, and no tummy, no, quite fit, thin, active. He's 60 plus, very active life, retired government official. So then it appeared like, why not? So it's like we don't have to restrict our age target to 75s and 85s. Yeah, well, at least we can think of above 100, and that will set the context to what kind of food you want to eat, what kind of exercise you want to bring in, how much ailments you want to cure, how much medication you want to get over, exit, correct? Yeah, and what kind of family you want to have, what kind of finance you want to have. So now he has to plan his finance for 123 years. He is already financially free, which means he wants about 2.5 lakhs, and he already has rental incomes and pension. His pension and rental income put together is crossing 2.5 lakhs. So therefore, he's already financially free, and he has quite a bit of assets, holiday homes and all. And why not? Yeah. So decide on the life number of years, how long you wish to live in this body of yours. Yeah. Not just 10 years. It can be, even world average is 72 years. It can be 10, 20, 30, as much as you feel. Again, being a bit objective. Yeah. Are you open, relaxed, in an ecstatic state of bliss? Okay. Bliss is more of the spiritually centered state. Are you open and relaxed? That's the key. If you are tensed, then there are some charges you'll have to dissolve. Are you full of vitality, full of energy? Brain fog happens when you are emotionally charged or not aligned to highest values. Are you flexible as well as strong? Do you exercise, eat healthy, drink lots of water? Drinking lots of water, very key for kidney, having a good kidney, flushing out the toxins, breathing adequately. Yeah. How much do you weigh? Then, are you drinking less of alcohol? It'll be good if you can eventually quit it. Yeah. Have you stopped smoking? Yeah. Have you done your yearly master health checkup? Those of you who are 35 years and above, it's a very great practice to have an annual master health checkup and spot the ailments as early as possible so that you can treat them and get over them instead of getting shocked by a sudden straight away at an advanced stage of a disease. And do you walk, jog, run, swim, yoga, martial arts, marathon, swimathon, cyclathon, yeah, or triathlon, all three together? Yeah, you can go ahead and write it down, take a few minutes and then share.